Yeah, hello everyone. I'm going to help you out with an issue that is usually faced, especially with Astra Theme and using some starter templates. Okay, yeah. So here you have on the screen a template from starter templates, and what we are actually going to work on is about changing the logo. The logo that is shown on the top left here. We're going to see how we can change that. Okay, so let's go to our WordPress dashboard and then start. Okay, so this is our WordPress dashboard. So how do we access the logo? So now the logo is based or is located in the head section. Okay, the header section. The top here, the header section. So you have the header, you have the body of the website, and you have the footer below. Okay, yes. The page builder we are using is Elementor. Okay, and Elementor is responsible for editing the page. Okay, the body. But the header and footer are features in there as part of the theme. That's Astra. Okay. Yes, we can create headers and footers using Elementor. All right. But in this case, we have Astra as our theme, and we are using a starter template. Okay. One template from starter templates. The heading, okay, or the header and the footer are all functions of the theme. Okay, so if you want to edit the header, we just have to go to the theme and then we customize. Okay, so from our backend here, we can just go to appearance and click customize. Okay, so that's one approach. Or we could decide to view our website. Okay, so I could right click and open, in a new tab to view my site. And then in here, I can just click customize. Okay, so it's the same route. So any works, let's just go this route. So appearance, customize. So here you realize it says active theme Astra. Okay, so these are the various features related to the theme Astra where we can make edits to. Okay, so here it has to do with the heading because my logo is found in the header. So all I have to do is I can decide to click header here, or I can just tap on the logo here. But let's click header here. Okay, now in here, this is how we can edit the header. Okay, so you can see all the tools in here. You have site logo and logo here. You have primary menu, and then you have the button. Okay, our focus currently it's on changing the logo. All right, so ideally, but mind you, with this particular template, okay, it comes with a transparent header. Okay, what this means is that it's a transparent header, just like the name goes. So it's a header, but you realize it's transparent. You can't really see that header distinctively. Okay, it's transparent. So you have the header, but it's in there transparent. In terms of customizations, there's a section where you can customize the transparent header. Okay, but for now, let's just go to the site logo. And we have the logo in here. So let's say we want to change our logo. Okay, how do we go about that? So let's just take off the logo first of all. Okay, let's remove the logo. So I click removed and the logo is gone. So let's say we have a logo in mind. Let me just reselect. I'm going to select any image at all just for the purposes of this tutorial. Let me go with this. I crop it. All right, so I place my logo in here, but it's not showing here. I still see the initial logo, the outdoor venture. Okay, but mind you, maybe you think it has to do with this aspect. Okay, but this different logo for retina devices. Now retina devices are devices which have high resolution, so like MacBooks, iPhones, or devices which have high resolution. So if you have a logo with a very high resolution, usually you select different logo for retina devices and then upload the logo, the high quality or logo in here. Okay, but let me just take this off. and even select that it's no different for retina devices. Okay, now you realize my logo is not still showing here. Okay, my logo is still not showing here, but like I said, this section has much to do with the transparent header. So it says logo is set in transparent header section. Click below to customize. So let's go to the transparent header and then let's do some customization there. So we go to transparent header. You can see that at the top here, transparent header. Okay, and we have the initial logo there. Let's just take it off, remove, and retina logo to remove. Okay, but I realize our logo is still whitish. Okay, it has this white background, rectangular background, but we can't actually see our logo. Okay, so that's fine. So now on the transparent header, okay, let me just untick the retina device. Okay, that is not going to affect what we are doing. Okay, I'm just taking that out. Okay, now let's go to, still under transparent header, let's go to design. And then under design, you realize that colors and backgrounds, you have logo color. Okay, so let's click on this. Okay, the color white. And let's scroll down. Let's clear it. Okay, so click clear. Let's clear it. So our logo has been cleared. The color that was whitish has been cleared. It's now transparent. But we are still having a black image here. We can still have access to our logo. So what do we do? Let's go back. Let's go back again. No, we are back. So we are still in the header section. Okay. Now let's click site logo, site title and logo. We can see our logo here because we just uploaded our logo. Let's go to design in here, in the logo section. Logo color, we realize it has black here. Okay, so let's just click on this. Let's scroll down and then let's go to clear. Okay, let's clear it out. And now we have access to our logo. You can see our logo is now showing at the top here. Okay, so it means the color here was preventing the actual logo from showing. So that's one way you can configure settings with regards to the header section and then get your logo to show. So we have our logo in here and then we are good to go. Right. I hope this has been helpful. Yes, so we can still change our logo. Let's say you want to change your logo. Let's change it. Select something else. So let's crop image. And we have our logo showing in here. Okay. Yeah, so that's how you get your logo to show. So what's important is that always check out for, after uploading your logo, do check out the design and check if there's a color. Okay. Because if there's a color there, you will not see your logo. You rather see the color instead. So click on your color and then just clear it to take it off. All right. Also go to transparent header and check that out. Check in the design section and also ensure that the logo color is being cleared. And then once you do that, you should be good to go. Right. I guess this video has been helpful. Do like, do share, and then do subscribe. All right. Thank you very much.